they're my pumpkins. And the reason I'm calling you pumpkins is because it's Halloween month and it's my favourite time of year. Hence why I have this beautiful Halloween choker on, which is going to be worn in every video this month because why not? Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is going to be made for makeup. So since it's Halloween, what I'm doing is every single day in October I'm going to be doing a makeup look. So today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a bust lip FX look. You know, for if you just want to do a few cuts and bruises for Halloween. So first thing I'm using is liquid latex. This is, I actually don't know what make it is because it's kind of like wearing off because I use it all the time, but this is a big ass bottle of it. So first thing I'm going to use is that and a little cotton wool thing. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little cotton bud, cotton bud Q-tip. I'm going to put it on my lip and just below my lip. Then just taking your little cotton ball, just gonna rip a little bit off. You don't need a lot. This is just to add a little bit of texture. So I'm just gonna stick that onto your latex. Now you look like you've the beginning of Gandalf. Now we're just gonna take more latex and you're just gonna put it on top. The next thing I'm going to be using is my Nye Nose and Scar Wax. But anyway, Nose and Scar Wax comes in actual skin tones because it's a lot better. So the next thing we're going to use is a spatula that looks like this. And I just scoop out some of the wax and I just roll it on the bottom of my hand that I've put the powder onto until it's like, kind of like a wee sausage. And then I'm putting this around the edge of that latex. And then you just do the same for the other half. So now what we do, we take our spatula, wipe off the excess wax, and then we blend this out. I just kind of thinned up the edges a little bit. I'm just going to use this to set this wax because you don't want the stickiness there. So just kind of pat it over the top. This is the Mehron Bruise wheel and I'm going to take the red up here, which is Bloody Rose. And what we're going to do is we're just going to colour the inside. So your latex, just kind of dab it on and right up onto your lip. We're going to add some depth and texture, so we're going to take the brown colour of the colour wheel, which is burnt maroon, put it at the edges. This adds depth to your cut and makes it look a lot more realistic. I'm going to take a cotton bud and I'm going to go in with that red shade again. Trying to go as light as possible. We're going to add some irritation around these edges. Taking a little bit of the yellow colour, which is maize yellow. I'm just going to use that to add a little bit of bruising. I just always feel like a little bit of bruising just kind of, I don't know, it just kind of brings it out a bit more. Okay, I am quite happy with that. If you feel like your wound's like close up a little bit, you can just use your spatula just to kind of like open it again. And now, the best bit. My all-time favourite thing to use for FX is Mehron. Is it Mehron or is it Nye? This is Nye Fresh Scab Blood. It basically dries realistically like real blood. I don't know if you can see that well. Not entirely sure if you can see, but it's just really thick and like clumpy. This is when we take this little pointy bit of our spatula. I know it looks dirty, it's just stained. And with this, a little goes a long way. So I'm just scraping up a little bit of this scab blood. And this is going on the inside. I mainly like to go near my edges with it. I never really use it outside of the cut though, because this is kind of like wound blood, not like outside blood. If that makes any sense. So I like to hit it right to the edge. I don't know, I just feel like it just adds a lot of depth. This is a vampire blood. Ooh. This stuff stains. So I'm using just a paintbrush and just getting a little bit of the blood. I'm not wanting too much because I don't want it to be dripping on my jammy top. Yes, I'm wearing a jammy top. I'm going to pat this in the wound. To add a glossy shine. Oh my god. So once you're satisfied with the inside of your wound, which I am, stipple sponge is going to be your best friend. So I just take a little bit of the excess blood that will be there. So try to get rid of that bit that I dropped it on. Just until you're happy, which I can move on with that. So there you guys have it. This is the first video of the Halloween series on this YouTube channel. If you guys are really enjoying this idea of me showing you tutorials, then please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you guys found this tutorial very helpful, then please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff. And if you happen to try and follow this tutorial at all, then please show me your looks, because I really want to see if like that made sense. This is the first time I've tried to do a tutorial on an FX look, and it was quite hard. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on my social media links. They'll be in the description down below, so you guys can keep up to date with makeup that I'm doing and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna go and try sleep now because I'm working tonight. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video where I'll do something different. Maybe like a full face thing because I'm not working tomorrow night. Bye!